Luma, you're so beautiful in my heart. Yeah, I know, Blitz. Come kiss me with your hybrid breath. Mwah! That cheating pig. How dare he stole Luma away from me? That's it. He's gonna pay. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You're the food. What? No. Now! Two, don't you try to eat Blitz, because if you do, I'll bite you with this cartoon hammer. Don't tell me what to do. Nuh-uh. You're staying here because you're cheating on me with Luma. Just because you will stay on my stomach. Capiche? No, please. I'm not food. We're best friends. Yeah, I know. Just because you're just cheating pig. Just because she cares about you than me. That's no fair. Earthlings, I swear. But I'll figure out to stop. No, please, no. Let's say we'll never believe you, Luma. Frick! Guess you're about to crash out, Luma.